Assalamu alaikum everyone and good morning. This video is about Qawaid Fiqh or known as legal maxim. This video is about sub-maxim under maxim hardship, which is need, general or specific, is treated like necessity. First of all, what is Qawaid Fiqh? Qawaid Fiqh is about general which can be applied in various cases that comes under ruling things. Qawaid Fiqh has played an important role to humanity since hundreds years ago until today. There are 5 major maxim in Qawaid Fiqh, which is: all matters determined by intention. Certainty may not be disproved by doubt. Hardship begets facility. Harm must be removed. Custom is a basis of judgment. These maxim is formed because there are many new cases appeared one by one since the death of Rasulullah, peace be upon him. In past, Rasulullah, peace be upon him, is the one who make decision. But today Rasulullah, peace be upon him, is no longer, therefore there are jurists who will make the decision in the place of Rasulullah, peace be upon him. In this video, we will be discussing sub-maxim under the maxim hardship begets facility, which is need, general or specific, is treated like necessities. Now let's begin with our topic. Sub-maxim which is need, general, or specific, is treated like necessities. What is mean by this maxim? This maxim denotes that a pressing need involving the ummah as whole or individual can affect changes in Sharia ruling. In some cases, Sharia also assign need status on par with necessity. Before that, it is necessary to understand the difference between general hajah and specific hajah. General hajah grants more leeway to avail concession than specific hajah. It is not necessary for a person making use of a Sharia concession granted on the basis of general hajah to demonstrate individual need. That is because there are specific texts that grant these concessions by unrestricted wording. General texts such as those quoted as the authority for maxim 15, hardship begets facility. Thus, a concession allowed on the basis of a specific hajah can only be used if the user is in a state of actual need. Since that is the case, a concession granted on the basis of a specific hajah must be used only in proportion to the person's actual need. Next we will talk about the difference between hajah and darura. Hajah does refer as a state of hardship, but it will not result in destruction if it is not achieved. Where else darura will cause a destruction if it's not achieved. Darura makes it permissible to override the origin rule as compared to hajah does not override any origin rule. Scholars disagree about specific hajah being given as same ruling as darura, where darura makes a prohibited act permissible for the person undergoing. There are some contradiction to apply this maxim. First, the need must already be existent. It should not be anticipated. Second, the consideration of hajah should not be at the expense of any of the essentials, daruriyat, because essentials are the basis for both hajat and embellishments, tahsiniyat. This is the reason why some scholars translate hajat as complementaries,